If you're looking for a cooler without being bound by a budget, the MSI MAG CoreLiquid 360R V2 is one of the best options to go for. This cooler has all of the features that you're going to need, and more. Starting from good build quality to effective cooling technology, RGB lighting, and overall design aesthetics, the cooler has it all. Let's see why. The V1 version of the CoreLiquid 360R was infamous for eventually not working due to an issue with the coolant. MSI has rectified this issue in the V2 version, and thankfully that's no longer a concern. Other than that, the product remains pretty much the same, with the exception of adding support for an additional Intel chipset. In the box, you'll find all of the accessories for installing the cooler on supported chipsets, along with 3 ARGB 120mm fans. These fans have a max speed of 2000 RPM and come with PWM support, allowing them to automatically adjust their speed per system load. Support for chipsets include Intel LGA 1700 all the way down to 1150, while support for AMD starts from AM2 to the latest AM5 chipset. The mounting bracket for some supported chipsets isn't included in the content, such as AMD Threadripper. In terms of design, the MSI MAG CoreLiquid 360R V2 uses 3 120mm fans on the aluminum radiator that has a length of 394mm. This also comes in a smaller option with 2 fans, making it accessible for even compact cases. Instead of an LCD screen, the pump includes a unique MSI blockhead that can be rotated at 270 degrees, which should remove any alignment concerns when installing the cooler. Inside the pump is a 3-phase motor, reducing vibrations and increasing the overall durability. The 2 tubes are braided with a mesh exterior that has been reinforced with 3 layers of plastic to ensure there's no evaporation. Along with the black variant, it also comes in white, making it suitable for white-themed builds as well. When it comes to performance, this cooler doesn't cut any corners, and it's able to match the performance of rivals like the Corsair iQ Link Titan 360RX, while being a relatively cheaper option. The overall acoustics are also really great, thanks to the 2 ball-bearing fans included in the box that reduce the overall noise levels and improve the longevity of the fans. When playing AAA titles like Hogwarts Legacy and Resident Evil 4 Remake, the average temperature remained at around 60 degrees Celsius with a CPU like the i7-12700K. Installation of the cooler can be slightly tricky if you haven't installed an AIO cooler before. However, there is an included manual that you can reference for instructions on installation. The tubes have a length of 400mm, so they should be able to reach the pump quite easily. MSI offers the Mystic Light software that allows you to control the ARGB lighting on the fans and the blockhead. Finally, the cooler weighs around 1,680 grams in total. To summarize, the MSI MAG CoreLiquid 360R V2 is an AIO that builds upon its predecessor by rectifying the primary pain point, allowing it to reach its full potential in performance. In addition, the cooler features a unique blockhead which gives it a pleasing look. To sum up, what I like is the vast support for chipsets, the cooling performance is great, and minimal acoustics. On the downside, installation can be tricky. Ratings: Design and aesthetics, 9 out of 10. Cooling performance, 9 out of 10. Noise, 9 out of 10. Installation, 8 out of 10. Value for money, 8 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10.